Momotaro's grandchild story. Once upon a time, there was a village where Kotaro, the grandson of Momotaro, lived. Kotaro inherited the brave heart and incredible strength of his grandfather Momotaro. The villagers were very proud of Kotaro, and his story was told among the children. One day, something strange happened in the village. From a distant mountain, terrible demons appeared and attacked the village. The demons vandalized the rice fields of a good harvest, destroyed the houses, and made the villagers afraid. The villagers didn't know what to do and were in trouble. Kotaro decided that he had to do something for the villagers. He believed that he had special power because he was born from his grandfather's peach. Kotaro talked to the old people in the village and began to collect tools for extermination of demons. He made a bow with cut-down trees and made an arrow with sharp stones. And what I brought back was the peach sword, which is a symbol of courage inherited from my grandfather Momotaro. Kotaro renews his determination and goes to the mountains to face the demons. On the way up the mountain, Kotaro met various animals. The first person I met was a smart fox. The fox said to Kotaro, "If you get rid of the demon, I'll help you." Kotaro was grateful and decided to make the fox his friend. The next thing I met was a powerful dog. The dog was also impressed by Kotaro's courage and offered, "I want to be a friend too." Kotaro was happy to welcome the dog as his friend. Further down the mountain, Kotaro met a rabbit with a soft wing sound. "I'll help you too," said the rabbit, and Kotaro became happy. In this way, 4 people, a fox, a dog, and a rabbit, formed a group. The party arrived at the demon's residence. The demons noticed their arrival and attacked them with anger. Kotaro wielded a peach sword and joined forces with his friends to fight against the demons. The fox made use of its cleverness to quickly disturb the demon's feet, the dog confronted the demon, and the rabbit moved around agilely and dodged the attack. After a fierce battle, Kotaro and the others finally confronted the demon's head. The head of the demon was very powerful and could not be defeated easily. However, Kotaro remembered the teachings of his grandfather Momotaro and told himself, "It is important to face it with courage." Kotaro swung down the peach sword and gave a big blow to the demon's head. At that moment, the demon's leader was exhausted and gave in. The demons were moved by Kotaro's courage and promised him, "I won't attack the village from now on. We will never do anything bad again." Kotaro and his friends who returned to the village were welcomed by the villagers. The villagers thanked Kotaro for his courage and the cooperation of his friends, and praised him as a hero. Through this experience, Kotaro learned again the importance of bonds and courage with his friends in order to keep his promise to the demons. After that, Kotaro continued his new adventure to protect the village and build peaceful days with his friends. His story continues to live in the hearts of the villagers even after many years, and it still tells how special Momotaro's blood is. The end.